Hello students, good morning. Today I am starting your half yearly syllabus. Okay, so your first chapter of half yearly syllabus is factors and multiples. In your book it is related from this is your half yearly syllabus. Okay, and that is your chapter number 4. Okay, and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples. Okay students, so look and listen carefully. First you know about the what is factors. What is factor? So listen, a factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. It means when we will divide any number from any specific digit, a specific number, so there will be no remainder. That is called factors. Remember some points to remember. These points relate from the factors. First point, one is a factor of every number. Full stop. Point number 2, every number is a factor of itself. Okay. Point number 3, a factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. Point number 4, the smaller factor is the smaller factor of a number is 1. Point number 5, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Okay, so listen carefully. So students, 1 is a factor of every number. It means that will be related from the 1 हमारा वो डिजिट है जो किसी भी नंबर का एक फैक्टर होता है. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर एवरी नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. जो नंबर खुद होता है वो भी उसका खुद का फैक्टर होता है. अ फैक्टर ऑफ ए नंबर इज स्मॉलर और इक्वल टू द नंबर. या तो स्मॉलर होगा या इक्वल होगा, बट नॉट देन मोर देन. ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं होगा, उससे बड़ा नहीं होगा. A smaller factor is 1 and the greatest factor relates from that specific number itself. Okay, remember it. Now listen about the multiple. What is multiple? Multiple, a multiple of a number, a multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number, full stop. It is obtained by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, some points is also remember here. Points to remember. Point number 1, every number is a multiple of 1. Point number 2, every number is a multiple of itself. Point number 3, a multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Point number 4, a number has an uncountable number of multiples. Full stop. There is no largest multiple of a number. Now students, I am starting exercise number 1. Okay. So exercise number 1, question number 1 has been given. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs of numbers. Okay, then list the common multiples. In this question, number A has been given. Numbers are 4 and 5. So look the solution. First we will find out in the question it has been given, find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs. Okay. Multiples of 4. So here we have find out first 10 multiples. It means 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Same thing we will also find out the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, then 45, then 50. So these are the multiples of 4 and 5. In the question it has been also asked about. Then list the common multiples. So common multiples means ऐसे numbers जो दोनों में हो, ऐसे multiples जो दोनों numbers में, means 4 में भी हो and 5 में भी हो. So here we have find out that 20 is here and here. Then after that 40 is here and here. So our common multiples are 20 and 40. Clear, students? Now B part of question number 1. Digits numbers has been given 2 and 6. So here at the time of the solution we will find out the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means क्या होगा 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Same thing we will find out the multiples of 6 also. So multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So here we will find out the common multiples. Here we have seen that common multiples are 6 here also the first is 6, then 12, then after that we have find out 18. So 6, 12 and 18 are common multiples. Clear students? C part 3 and 5 I will provide to you in your homework. Okay students? Now question number 2. Question number 2, it has been given, find the factors of each of the following pairs. Each of the following pairs of numbers, full stop, then list the common factors. Okay, A part 18 and 6. So here you will find out the factors. So look the solution. Factors of 18. So it means 18 किस नंबर से full divide होता है. So as you know, I have already told you 1 is the factor of n number also. 1, then 2, then 3, then 6, then 9, then 18. It means ये नंबर हमारे वो हैं जिससे हमारा 18 क्या विदाउट रिमाइंडर फुल डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. ओके, देन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 इज इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3 and 6. Clear students? So after that we will find out the common factors. Common factors means जो हमारे इन दोनों में. So as we have seen 1 here and here 2, 3, 6. It means these are the common factor 1, 2, 3 and 6. Clear students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Now B part of question number 2. Numbers has been given 14 and 21. So look the solution. Factors of 14 is equal to 1, 2, 7 and 14. It means 14 हमारे इन नंबर से डिविजिबल हो सकता है. Okay, so there are the factors of 14. Now factors of 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. So what are the common factors? So here we will write common factors is equal to 1 here and 7. So 1 and 7. Now C part has been given 4 and 5. It will be provided to you in your homework. Okay students? The students, in exercise 1 only 2 questions has been given. Okay, after that, before starting the exercise number 2, I want to explain about the rules of divisibility. Okay, here exercise number 1 has been finished. So now rules of divisibility. Okay, it means without division, how can you find out any digit? It will be divisible by any specific number, as like the rules relates on the 2 divisible by 2. It means ऐसे कौन कौन से नंबर हैं जो हमारे 2 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. So remember, listen, if in any number the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so that number will be divisible by 2. It means कोई अगर नंबर है जिसमें वंस नंबर में 0 आया है, 2 आया है, 4 आया है, 6 आया है या 8 आया है, सो वो नंबर चाहे जितना भी बड़ा होगा वो हमारा 2 से डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल I think one number also 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Okay, so here you can see it, the ones digit is 0, so it means that number, it means 3,56,780 will be divisible by 2. Okay, another example I want to take it, that is first example, and then another second example 7, 6, 8, 2, 9, 8, 3, 2, 4. Here ones number is 4, so So it means that number will be divisible by 4. So here you can write it, that number will be easily divisible by 4. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It means 76 crore, 82 lakh, 98,324 will be divisible by 2 because ones number is 4. It means अगर ones number में हमारा 0 है, 2 है, 4 है, 6 है या फिर 8 है, so वो that number किससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा? Easily divide किससे होगा? 2 से completely divide हो जाएगा. Okay students? Now divisible by 3. Okay, listen, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, okay, you can write it, if the sum of the digits of a number will be divisible by 3, so that number will be divisible by 3. It means जो भी डिजिट्स दिए हैं अगर उनका टोटल आपका किससे 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, so after that that number will be also divisible by 3. Okay, look the example also. For example, first I want to take number 357. So without division, how can you find out it? You will add the digits. We will find out the sum of the digits. Digits are 3 plus 5 plus 7. It means 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. As you know, 15 will be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. So it means you can write it here. 15 is divisible by 3. So 357 will be also divisible by 3. Okay, because हमारा सम क्या है 15 ही 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है इजीली वे में, so 357 भी क्या होगा हमारा इजी वे में डिवाइड हो जाएगा 3 से. Okay, I want to take another example also. For example, numbers has been given 98,421. So we will find out the sum of the digits. So 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 or 2, 23. 23 and 1, 24. Okay. 24 will be also divisible by 3. It means that number will be easily divisible by 3. So here you will write here 24 is divisible by 3. So 98,421 will be also divisible by 3. Okay. Any doubt, students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Next is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. In this, if the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, so that number will be divisible by 4 also. Okay, it means अगर कोई लास्ट के 2 डिजिट के नंबर्स क्या डिवाइड हो रहे हैं 4 से, so that number will be also divisible by 4. For example, number has been given 84684. So here last 2 digits are 84. 84 will be divisible by 4, so that number will be also divisible by 4. Second example, 93462 last 2 digits are 20. 20 will be divisible by 4, so it means that number will be also divisible by 4. So students, now itna hi. From next class I will start exercise number 2. Clear students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query.